Okay, hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna try to be a little bit more energetic. So the stream yesterday, I was pretty much dead. It's kind of late, and all right. So there are a few things I wanna do today. The first thing is I've been going about this all wrong. Okay, where is that? Chrome view. I've been going about this all wrong. Oh, shite. Yeah, about that all wrong. So I need to change my thinking. So instead of auto margins, I should be using CSS grid, but I've never used it before. So I'm gonna give it a shot now. See how that comes out. All right. CSS grid. All right, so let's do a little bit of testing. Okay, so menu. So let's see, HTML editing. So we can see what I'm doing here. So in menu, header, menu auth, menu. Okay, menu options, inline block. So I should be, if I change this to grid, grid. Let's see, grid, what does that do? Rows, columns, so display, grid. If I just comment out display, what's gonna happen? Nothing happens. Alright, so the container needs to be a grid display. Let's see how this code looks on W3 schools. Right. Grid template, here it is. Interesting. Grid gap. Let's try some of these properties. Grid, let's do dash gap. Let's do 25px. Oh, okay. I see you. Let's just do auto width for now. Okay. Alright. It's inheriting. Kinda wanted it to wrap around the text. Let's give it 100px because I can't be bothered to figure out. Is there a way for the width to just automatically wrap? Alright, I'll look into that in a second. Okay, so grid template areas. That seems to be an interesting property. Let's bring this up more so we can see what's going on. Okay, so grid gap, grid template areas. And what is let's see. Okay, so they have to be given a grid area. So let's do grid area, and this is header. Right, and then inline. There's one to do. So lists of header. Ooh. 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that work? I don't know, I don't think that worked. So, you guys can't really see it, I'm just following this guy from W3 Schools. So there's a display grid, which we have, and we have just a ridiculous grid gap. Okay, and then grid template areas, which we have, and we calls the grid area header from the options, and then we laid it out where they'd be inline as 5 options or 5 columns across. Would we need to do it so many? I guess we would. Okay, let's see. Something I'm not following. Alright. Display grid, inline grid. Does that matter? No, it doesn't matter. Because something I'm not doing right. So the container contains the display, the grid gap. You need column gap and row gap separately. Useful, very useful. Okay. Grid column start, grid column end. Item 1. So let's see what that does, and then maybe we can modify it from there. I didn't do much. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Grid template columns. Grid template areas. So this template columns, and let's do auto. What are the elements called? Items? What's the styling for the item? I don't get why they're all. Alright, so let's get rid of use. And let's get rid of use. Okay. Alright, they're starting to behave. Okay. Alright. Can I do like 100% here, and will it just fill in the columns? Or will it go to a new line? Oh! Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Alright, what about this? What if they're 90%? We get rid of the grid gap. Actually, let me just comment that out because I might need that syntax later. Get rid of the grid gap. How do we get them to get together? How do we make them touch? Display grid. What is inline grid doing? Does not do anything. So delicious. So this works fine as it is. It's nice. It's very nice. Okay, so we can use grids for the entire page. Damn, I'd have to rethink everything. Okay. Alright, so let's do a few things. That's good. That's good. Alright, let's redo a few things. Actually, let me duplicate that. Let's try something, stretching it. Okay, no, the parent div, the parent div's a fixed width, so even though they are percentages, it wouldn't change. Okay, so let's start from scratch. Well, let's do a few things. Let me create a GitHub repo, because I need to be using GitHub more. So definitely a weakness of mine. Okay, so let me actually create a GitHub scene really quickly. Alright, so let me add in my camera. Shakalaka. Okay. And then let me add a window capture. Alright. I call this GitHub. Alright, so where art thou, GitHub? Oh, GitHub. Why? Why? It's probably an Electron app that. Okay. All right. That's fine. That's fine. Discard. Cancel. Okay. Oops. Okay. Do this. Yeah. Okay. Let me do that then. All right. Let me add in the background. Background, you go to the bottom of the index. Okay, there we go. Alright. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go to the camera, go on GitHub, and I'm going to create a new repository. Actually, I can do that on the desktop version. Probably be simpler. Alright. Alright, whatever. Not thinking straight. Alright, let me create a new repository. Let me choose my folder. It's going to be, where the hell did I save you? Under APUsilicon. I'll select that folder and I'll call you APUsilicon. Full stack website dev. Okay, no, I don't need that. Repository deleting. No. License. I guess it's gonna be Apache. Is that the one? Or maybe it's a BSD. Let's put Apache. Okay, I created my repo. I'm gonna push it to GitHub. So let's see, github.com. Blah, 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 blah. Keep this code private. No, you don't need to be private. Publish on github.com. Right. And I guess I gotta create a branch. So new at GitHub. So I'll create a new branch. I'll call this testing. Alright, so I'm currently in the testing branch. Okay. So let's forget about the GitHub. Actually, let me get off this. I don't know if I'll show anything that I shouldn't be showing. Okay, so APUsilicon. Alright, so you see right here is my repository. Fun stuff. Okay. Alright, so let's get back to some. Which view was it? HTML handling. Go down. Okay. Okay, so we figured out that flexbox would make a lot more sense. Okay, so we already have some structure, but we already have some styling as well. So let's go ahead and just destroy everything. Start from scratch because we're going to be using the flexbox. Boom shakalaka. Okay. Okay. So it's just freaking out. Okay. So first things first. We need this, right? How do we first lay it out? Is it just going to be like the header would be its own flexbox? This specific header? Or we just create a div inside as its own flexbox? Because we already have it here. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead with this. So, non-auth menu. Okay, so I'll start here. Not flexbox grid. Freudian slip. So there we go. Start anew. Just break all the things. Okay. So let's see. How are we on time? Alright, we got like an hour to go. Okay, alright, so we're back. So let's say your display grid. Display grid. Okay, and then display dash temp. Okay, display. Oh crap! Ugh, I already forgot. Oh my god! Why am I so bad? Right. So display. Grid template area. Gotcha. So it's grid tag template. I guess columns. Columns, and we're gonna have one column. So it's just gonna be auto, right? Alright, so let's actually do a border real quick. X, okay. Alright. Okay. Now I gotta fix the body. Okay, so get rid of the padding. Pixels. Margin as well. Okay, there we go. Alright, so how do I select every child? There's a way to do that in CSS. CSS select for every child. Oh, it's star? Okay, it's a wildcard. So let's do body wildcard. Let's cut you out. And then let's do, okay, border width. let's do 1px. Okay, 1 pixel border width. So every single child is gonna have a border. So just so we can see what's happening. All right. Okay. Okay. So we have one column. That's one central column that's gonna have 2 rows, and the first row is gonna have 2 columns. The second one is gonna have, okay. All right. So then we have menu image and then just menu. All right. So then we go dot menu tag image. It's gonna be, what was that line? Display grid for its children. Come on, bloody wanker. Okay. Okay, yes. I'm getting a little confused there. No, I need to target logo and banner. These are IDs, right? ID, logo, banner. Alright, so I'm getting the IDs targeted, so your logo. I think I might change up the design now I think about it. I want something modern, you know, something that looks good. Alright, so logo and banner. They don't need any of this stuff. Um, so logo and banner, and then logo banner image. It's gonna be with. Oh, I don't know why it keeps defaulting to 100 height. 100 percentages. Alright. I'm not doing something right. Definitely not doing something right. Okay. So, non-auth menu is gonna have 1 row. Okay. Template columns. Okay. How many rows do we want to have? It's gonna have 2 rows. So it can be auto. Come on, you bloody wanker. Okay. Okay, so header grid. I feel like I'm not doing something right. So it's a grid. Okay. Alright. Target menu. And then menu item. And you guys are a class, menu options. Okay. guys, I don't know what. Okay, that works. And the width is all over there. We do like a text align. I'll center those bad boys. Alright, so that's working. Okay, so green. Okay, that's a problem. Auto. Menu image should have 2 columns. Okay, let me give them widths. So width, I want you. Let's say you're 30%. God damn it. And the banner will be 70%. Does that work? Oh god. So this I know works fine. Menu img. Oh no, I should be targeting menu img. Why am I targeting menu image? There we go. See, that's a problem. You guys can't see it. Let me see if I can zoom out. Yeah, that's a problem in the design. Default, yeah. Okay. Okay, so what if we give... Alright, so let's give it a fixed height. So let's give menu image a fixed height. So height, I want to keep it super sleek, so 128 pixels. I don't know why 128 pixels is super sleek. And okay, it does have it. Alright, so why are you bad boys not fitting in? Alright, so let me manually add in the height to the banner, to the logo. They will not take it. Alright, it's definitely a scaling problem there. Oh, damn. Alright, let's get reviews. Oh, okay. You will not obey my commands? Undo, come on. Undo. What if I give you fixed pixel values? Just so you can behave. Am I not targeting the right thing? Oh! For fuck's sake. Because I should be targeting MG. Oh my god. There we go. Alright, so let's see. We don't need you. 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 Oh, so the logo and then the banner. 30. I'm gonna duplicate it. See how it looks stretched out. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. Think, boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's actually coming along a lot faster than yesterday's margin autos. So let's see. Oh crap. Was I looking at the right one? Okay. I don't think I was. Okay. Stretching it. I think I can do something to solve that. Okay, cool. Alright. So now we have alright, so the image and the banner. We don't need to say it's just supposed to fill out the div. Alright, so now we just need to tweak. Alright, so do we not? I don't think we need to set manual heights because it should just inherit or not. Keep so from the control. Come on, think. Alright, so logo. Why are you so big? Oh, okay. So how do I? Alright, so if I get rid of auto, it doesn't float them correctly. I guess because they're because of the borders, perhaps. Like 60, 65. No, it's not floating them correctly. So how do I adjust the width of a grid? So CSS grid width. Auto. Oh, okay. I can give them instead of auto, just give them fixed percentages. So C, Control Z. Oh, Control Z, Z, Z. Okay, Z, Z. Can I just give them percentages here? Oh, I can. 70%. And then in here, I don't even give them a width. Oh ho ho! Man, I feel so smart. Nice. Okay. Okay. Let's not futz with that. All right. So let's duplicate you. Refresh you. All right. So there's some good behaviors there. Now, I like how I can squinge up and I can also stretch it. So let's start giving them. Let's see. Let's see. So let's practice on the logo image. So let's give it a min and a max, right? Right. So is it not? I don't think it's in. It wouldn't be in here, no, because I'm not touching that. That's just filling out. So right here, maybe it is in there. Okay. Think. So min width. I don't want you to be smaller than 200 pixels. Can I do that? Let's try it out. Refresh. Okay, there we go. Ah, okay. It's interesting. Interesting behavior. Very interesting. Okay. Min width. So I guess the min width is your max width. I don't want you to be 400 px. Alright, so let's do a bunch of testing. Alright, the min width works, but math. Maybe 400 is too big. It's 200. I feel like it's still growing when I stretch it all the way across my multi-monitor setup. Not doing something right. Okay, whatever. Not really messing with the height. So maybe I should be doing this to the image. Alright, let's give it a shot. So get out of here. Let's come in here. Let's get rid of that. Okay, and then let's duplicate this. Refresh it, and then stretch. Okay. Alright. And I guess I could float it left? Ugh. Float right. Can I do that? Or should I create like an inner div? Okay, let's duplicate that. Refresh. Edit. Okay. Alright, and then I'm liking some of that behavior. You can't really see it because I'm doing it off of another tab. Okay, come here. Let me just get rid of you. Okay, and you're gonna be floated left. Alright. And you're gonna be standard banner ad. Is it skyscraper? Was it leaderboards? So your max width 728. Or is it a full banner? Full banner 468. So 468 x 468, not 69. Okay, so 468, and the height, the min height is 60. Let's do min height. Min tech height. Here 60 pixels. Okay. Oh, let's see. Does that make any sense? First, okay. All right, so let's go here. Okay, let's refresh. Let's do some testing on this. Ooh. That's very nice, actually. That's kind of the behavior I wanted. Can I do a float center? Does that even work? Duplicates. Refresh. No, float center does not work. Why are you showing up as a keyword? Okay. And then here's where I can do grid gap. Alright, so let's grid banner. So we can do a grid gap here. Grid gap. We can do a 5-pixel grid, or is it a 15-pixel grid gap? Does that work? Nope, that did not work. Menu logo. Why am I doing it here? Menu image. Oh, come on. Mac. Pixel. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now let me adjust the height of the not the logo. Is it? Yeah, the logo. So your 100% and your min height. Your min height should be 200 pixels. Right. 200 pixels. Right. Oh, this menu logo. Yeah, 200 pixels. Alright. Now I should be able to put this and down here like that. I can't really see that. Yeah, I should be able to move it down. So let's see, how would I do that? So on banner, is it on banner? How do I move it down? Alright, let's go ahead and figure this out. Alright, so it's CSS for a trick site. Yeah, this is it's too content dense. My brain can't figure it out. CSS grid seems super useful. So grid row start. Row end. Alright, so how do I move stuff up and down? This grid is pretty wild. Align. Okay, align end. Align items end. Oh, not flex end. Just end. Is that supposed to be in the perhaps in the container? So if we do here, okay. All right, so banner, the banner image. So max width. Okay. Okay, now we're going off a little bit off screen. Okay, how does that work, Cameron? width. Can we just do an auto here? Doesn't work. Am I not seeing? I don't need to do that, right? Because it's by default. Maybe, perhaps. Perhaps it's here. If I set it to center. Oh, I guess because of the. Okay, so if I do 5% gap between them. 70, and here I could do that. Now I need to mess with that here. Okay. Alright, so let's check it out. Very well behaved. Very nice. Yes, maybe set a max. I think the width should be that. I don't think I need a max because I'm just gonna have a fixed width for that. No? Does that not make sense? Should I be stretching it? I should only set a min width. And the max width should just be 100%. I don't know what the best practice is. Alright, so this image right here. What if I set you to auto? Ugh. It's not bad. Alright, I'm getting too much into the weeds of that. I need to move on. Okay, so now let's start working on the menu options. So I guess we set a min width and min height. So min width, let me scroll up to the top. with maybe at a I don't know. Let's give the pixel values 128 pixels. And then no, maybe I should only be setting the max. Okay. How do I have them centered together though? How do I allow them to clump together? Okay. Justify center. Okay. So I do a justify content centered. Ooh, there we go. Okay. And let's give it a better max width. Right? It's 256 pixels. Okay. Ooh. That's a problem. That is a problem. Okay, and then we do like a grid gap. I don't know, I don't think we need that. Can we just do margins here and would that work? Let's do 5 pixel margins. Yeah, margins work. I think I'm gonna have to redo the top part here. Oh crap, you can't see. There we go. I gotta redo that because some odd behavior happens when stretching. So CSS, you're a tough cookie. Okay. Okay. Alright, no, I think. Oh, damn it. So let's put you on S for a second. Let's undo you. I can see. Those are nice. Okay, so why don't we do that? Alright, so let's go back to the header and let's do some. Where is it? So justify center on this bad boy. See what happens. Okay, I'm justifying its center. And if I put you in auto 2, so I'm gonna duplicate. Right. Oh, there we go. Alright. It's a little bit better behaved and stretching. Alright. I think I'm gonna leave it as is for now. I can tweak it later on. So that is the new header with the CSS Flexbox. How much time do I have left? Ah, crap. Where's my timer? Okay, I think it's a clock. Stopwatch. Timer. Okay, I got 15 minutes. Okay, alright. So we got page centering done with divs, with the CSS grids. And it's a whole lot quicker than doing margins yesterday and figuring all that nonsense out. Okay, so let's start styling this bad boy up. So let me get rid of this that rule here. Okay, and let's start with, let's see. Let's start with the header, the entire background for this. Let's choose a nice color. So background color. So let's go to a color picker. Alright, so this. I mean, there's the one in here. Oh, come on. What's wrong with my hands? Okay, let's go here. What the bloody hell? Okay. Oh, it's not bad. I was thinking something in the blues, like a grayish blue. Very neutral. So right here. And two blue. Two white. So maybe here? Ah, okay. That's my color. Okay. I'm gonna redesign the logo. Um, think of a new design shortly. Let's see. Let's give you guys some. Do I want them to be inside or below though? Right? Because I should be able to do that by just targeting the different rows. Do I want them to be inside? Okay, I'll go along and see what I come up with. Okay, so there's that. Let's go to the image here, and let's have you get it. Let's give you a padding. Let's give you a 5-pixel padding on the inside. Let's give you a color. Okay. Oh, okay. There we go. Let's do like a little border radius. Do I? Want to give you a border radius? Actually, let's like that simple design. Okay, so I'm gonna copy pasta your behavior to the banner. Is it supposed to be straight to the image? Wasn't I supposed to add that just to the container? Okay, I messed up here. So let's go add that to the container. Okay, good. Alright, so I have that set up. So menu here. Let's give you a height. Let's give you 64 pixels. That's way too much. 32. Alright. Let's give y'all borders. here I had something to make it move shift down to the bottom. So it's align items and so let's apply it to here. Okay, not do much. So let's do this top left right bottom. So top 15px space bottom is 5px. How do I do a drop shadow? Do I need drop shadows? What am I even doing, man? Alright, so border solid. Border, can't really see that. Oh crap. I'll just give you 1px. Really skinny border. Give you more of a top margin. 5px. Okay. Let's give a padding. I think that was supposed to be a padding. 5px padding. I have to change the fonts. I have to find a good font. And I guess what I'll do is actually go. No, it's its own class, so I'll do. Okay, so it's gonna be. It's already text align center. Move it down. I might actually get rid of the excessive margins. This is 0px. Okay. And then max width. Can I get a bit width of let's say 128 pixels? Okay. Okay. It's looking good. So let's do text transform. Is it text transform? Transform, and I'm going to do uppercase. Okay. So it's uppercase. I'm going to look at fonts real quick. So I'll go to. Nah, we'll look at fonts later. Just do some tweaking after we get it. Okay. So then let's do this. The menu option. What are the colors for the menu option? So let's do color. Scroll up, Cameron. Color. Let's see this. What's a good text color? Just go white. That also affects the border color. I kind of want that. I kind of do. Okay, so let's start getting fancy. So just copy the selector here. Alright. So let's do and then your last child's source border tag top this is top left radius. I'm giving it a 2px. Alright, and then border. Just gonna copy you and just do a modification myself. So it's border bottom. Copy use. So, where is it? I can't beautify it. Alright, so bottom right. Okay. I see. Border tag top. Border right. Here, and then just copy you. All right. Okay. Not sure what hard part is on the mind. Okay. And then so first child, second child, and then let's do your hover behavior. Let's close you off. And back. Color. Okay. Okay, we're gonna use a hover selector. Actually, it has pretty good defaults. But let's see. Let's mess around a little bit. Let's get you a little bit darker. How do I block the hover selector? Just user select. Alright, so let's see. User select. Oh, it's coming together, guys. Oh shit. Ah, god damn it. Can we snooze this? Alright. Alright. Let's see. Oh crap. I'm out of time. Okay. It's really looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let's see. Text. Is there a click? Alright, let's try to check if there's like some click behavior. Oh my god. instead of hover. So after backdrop, Q selection, active, any link, focus, chart policy. This is a Mozilla specific one, Microsoft. Okay. There's nothing for like some kind of click event. I don't know. Not that it matters. I don't really need it anyway. Host, last child, no button, matches, fun stuff. Okay. Alright. So we actually made good progress. So we got like a little menu done. And so what styling can you okay. I'll show you the styling difference. Let's see. Templates. Okay. Take a look at the difference between a little bit of styling and no styling. Okay, let me refresh you. Boom, shakalaka. Now, take a look when I stretch it. I got a multi-monitor setup, so I'm actually stretching it across 2 screens. So take a look what happens when I stretch it. Oh, interesting. It stays where it needs to stay. Gotta change some of that behavior. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. This is gonna be my buttons. I'm gonna use on-click functions to just jump to the next row. Okay, so window captures, get you out of here. Alright, so we made some good progress, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that to my repo, my GitHub, right? History. Oh crap, what did I do? Changes. Alright, let's see if I add anything to this, it will work. Oh, it's not tracking my files. Documents. So, why is it? Is this supposed to? Is that how it's supposed to be? Oh crap! Oopsies. Oh, obviously it's to do. Oh my god! I am such a noob at this. So let's see. Let's remove you. Do I want to remove you? Yeah. Bleep it. Remove your ass. Okay. And then let me go ahead and let me go on GitHub and just clear out that repo. Because I think I messed up. Yeah, I think I messed up. So let me go ahead and find this repo, and I'll go ahead and settings and copy. And I'll delete this repository. And then let me try to add another repo. Okay, so new repository. Choose. Okay, so this folder. I'm gonna call you APUsilicon. Um, can't read. Okay, so it's a full stack web dev, and the license I said was Apache. Okay, history. Um, let's see. Changes. Let's match. Commits. Design. Oh, why is it not tracking my files? God damn. Okay. Alright, so add local repository. Select folder. It's not very good. I just did that. Okay. Alright. Okay, now it's tracking my files. Okay, now I see everything. Okay. You're going straight to the git ignore file. Right? Can I do that? Changes. Why can I not put in a git ignore file? I don't want this folder tracked. Let's undo. Okay, there we go. I gotta undo it first, undo the commit, and then I gotta find my. I can't share that key. So ignore file. Okay, so you're on the git ignore. Alright, so init commit, header design. Okay, so commit to master, and then I'll publish repo, full stack web dev. No, not private. Okay. Alright, there we go. Now the files are being tracked, and now my commit got pushed. Alright. Okay. So that's I think that was actually a really successful video. If you see here, I mean, it wasn't a lot, but I learned how to use the CSS grid, um, some for basic stuff. So I'm able to create just a simple header that behaves properly without doing some crazy auto margining and stuff like that. And CSS grid is super flexible, so I know that I can use it now for the rest of the body and just have everything laid out nicely without some weird div rules. getting in the way. So I got like a simple menu going with a hover effect, um, and I blocked out the text selection. So these will behave like buttons. So I'll put like JavaScript on-click functions on them, so it'll just get linked to the different pages. Um, I got my logo, my banner ad here. Should be able to go into the back end and tweak this. Um, it's looking good. This is a fragment, so it'll fit right into TimeLeaf. TimeLeaf. Um, so I'll be able to go in and you know, handle that pretty well. Okay, yeah. Let me stop spacing out. I'm well over the hour mark. All right, peace out.